Hello everyone, and welcome to this video on how to integrate a rear light sensor into your robot. Let's have a look on how to actually attach a rear light sensor to your SumoBot. This is the device I've created to attach a light sensor to the back of the robot. I have my light sensor, I have a small L, a 5-hole straight, and an angle changer, and it goes right underneath here, right there. Here it is attached with the wire going to sensor port 3. Now that we've done that, let's think about the value of the rear light sensor. As your robot is driving around, if it's going to detect the black line, it can only do so from the front. If your robot is being pushed backwards, it will fall out of the table and not detect the black line until it's too late. Having a rear light sensor will allow you to detect a black line if you're being pushed backwards and respond by going forwards at 100 power. We're going to integrate the program over here in this area. A quick review of how we've programmed the driving motors. First thing we're going to do is check the front right light sensor. If that sees black, go backwards and turn. Then the front left light sensor. If that sees black, go backwards and turn. Then we're going to detect using the front ultrasonic sensor. If it sees any robot in front of it, 100% power and attack. If none of the three sensors are detecting anything, go forward at 50 power. When we integrate the light sensor in the rear, we need to place a switch right here before the ultrasonic sensor for the front of the robot. We're going to change it to port 3. Color sensor, compare, reflected light intensity. Then we're going to write 35. Again, for you, just pick that number in between the white and the black for that specific sensor. If the robot detects a black line going backwards, then you need to respond by going forwards at 100 power. You must survive by staying on the table. So set it on at 100 power going forward. If the rear light sensor does not sense a black line, then check the front ultrasonic sensor. If the front ultrasonic sensor sees something, then go forward at 100 power. If none of the four sensors see anything, you go forward at 50 as normal. Let's see how it works. With this program, the robot operates as normal. Let's see what happens as I push the robot backwards and it hits the black line. You can see here, the power has gone all the way up to 100% and it's really pushing the robot. Once it gets onto the white again, it's going at 50 power, and then it hits the black line, and now it's going at 100 power. This is going to help the robot stay in the game. Thank you very much.